Yo. You good, bro?
Who?
You. I don't know.
What about me?
It's just a peculiar sound you made.
Oh, I was licking my fingers.
Why is he wearing a shirt that says Pussy Riot?
Bro, there was this one skin, this one Mace skin, that was absolutely mouth-watering.
Ew!
I'm him, bro. I'm him.
Yo, what does it stand for though? What does him stand for?
I'm him, bro. He is sexy. I mean,
That's not hit. That's doesn't spell it. Yo, Quake, what the fuck are you doing?
Quake, what are you doing?
That was a no.
Quake!
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Oh my god,
You just lost.
Quake, it's defense. It's defense. You don't do that.
Just relax.
Yo, shut the bitch ass dog up. Damn. Everything. That dog a bitch. That dog a hoe on my fucking mother, bro. On my mother, that dog a hoe. Fuck that dog. Fuck that pussy ass dog.